All right, so here's the third test, and this is kind of the shootout, if you will, for interior flying. Again, we're in the same hospital, downstairs floor of the hospital. Same pilot, Travis Calendine, is going to fly for us. This one is the Mavic 2 Enterprise. We're going to take it down the same hallway and into the same area, do the exact same thing, and we're going to see how far we can get with this. And go to notice that yes, we could have put the spotlights on there, but we want this to be, and it should, we maybe should just to see how far, but we want this to be a exact one-for-one comparison. The spotlights are a big advantage that the DJI products have over the others for flying into dark areas, as you've seen that we've had to fly into. But in this case, we want it to be a one-for-one. What we will attempt to do, just like we did for both the Autel and for the Parrot, is we will attempt to illuminate the hallway with a cell phone light, just to hopefully give the pilot just enough to see. But we're going to see how it goes. Now, one thing you will notice is we did put prop guards on it, and the only reason that we have them on here, not the others, is because we have them for this one, and I do not have them for any of the other units over there. So anyway, Travis, whenever you're ready, let's go with this is the DJI Mavic Enterprise, otherwise known as Enterprise Zoom.
Should I put the light on? Does this have the light on the bottom too?
Yeah, just leave that on.
Okay.
Whatever it is.
I don't know what it is. So
You just leave it standard.
Okay.
Again, pilot will remain in here. Aircraft is moving. Just so you know, we do have a pretty good breeze coming through this doorway here, that bay door open. So the Mavic turned on its own lights on the floor. Uh-oh. I think you might have lost signal there. Yep. Yep. Watch out. There we go. All right, so I guess he was losing.
I lost the signal.
Okay.
That's why I'm walking toward it now. So I need.
Okay.
So I lost it about right here.
At this corner. Okay.
Yeah.
So he, I'm kind of going back here.
Just wait.
So he was able to go pretty much double the distance. Just so you know, he was able to go pretty much double the distance and was working towards there, double the distance of any of the other platforms. So that's kind of just a comparative between all three platforms. The DJI Mavic 2s, Enterprise 2s, DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise. God, I get them all backwards. Anyway, go about twice as far into a building than any other. But we did lose signal through this hospital, going pretty deep into it. So anyway, hopefully this will inspire both Autel and even Parrot too, to bump their signal, their transmission and receiver capabilities up to comparative capabilities. All right, talk to you later. Bye.